have an unboxing video. Woo! So, we recently placed a huge order of about $100 on HelloTomato. HelloTomato is this e-commerce platform, and they're actually the biggest Chinese e-commerce platform in Canada. And on there, you basically download this app on your phone or any mobile device, and on there you see that there's a lot of groceries, like fresh veggies and fresh fruits. You also have a lot of snacks, a lot of instant stuff like instant hot pot or ramen. What else do they have? They have skincare, furniture, stuff for your pets. They got
furniture?
Yeah, they have furniture. And they even have electronics like laptops. So they got your entire life covered. This platform is super convenient because they promise that they'll deliver to you within 24 hours, which is so good during times like this. And what is the times?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
And if you order greater than $69, you get free delivery within the 24-hour period.
In GTA, Hamilton, and Waterloo, and areas like that. In some areas, it's a different amount. And if you're a new user, you actually get a discount of $10. And if you use my code, which is Erin, E-R-I-N, you get 10% off. Yay!
Good deal.
Good deal. Okay, so because today we ordered so many things, he doesn't know what I ordered. So we're gonna play this game where he doesn't see whatever, is in this box, and I give it to him and he has to guess what I ordered. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
First things first. Sleeping mask on.
Give me. So, when I first got this, my suspicion was that it's hot pot meat, shaved thin, lamb or beef, and it felt kind of like it too. So then I threw it in the freezer because I saw it was on top and it was kind of cold to begin with. So I'm gonna guess thin sliced, hot pot, lamb, beef.
Yeah.
All right.
Beef.
Okay.
That's what this is.
It's some sort of chip. I'm trying to feel. Whoa, what's that? Wait, let me smell. Oh, is this the sweet corn chips?
Yeah.
This is so good. I don't like chips, and this is the best chip.
It's in between chips and popcorn. And they also have a cheddar flavor, like a jalapeno cheddar flavor, another blue cheddar flavor.
But you don't need any of those. You just need this one, the sweet. And what's it called? Sweet and salty?
Yeah. I was gonna get the cheddar one because I like cheddar, but he likes sweet and salty.
Oh, it's a tofu.
What? How did you guess that?
By the packaging. This is definitely a vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna guess it is a Napa cabbage.
Yeah.
Oh!
Why are you so good at this?
It's an apple?
Yeah.
Oh!
There's
I eat too many apples. Avocados.
Yeah. We're gonna make guacamole.
Oh, this one's difficult.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
The texture is so distinct.
No.
No.
Is this a cauliflower?
Yeah.
Oh!
Dude, how are you so good at this?
This one is cucumbers.
No.
Zucchini.
Yeah.
Oh! Definitely a jar of something. I can't smell it. So can I ask for a hint?
Something that you like to eat.
Is
Drink.
it kimchi?
No.
Drink?
Yeah, you put it in your drink as well.
Honey.
Yeah.
Oh!
This looks so legit. This is probably a tough one.
Doesn't really smell like anything. It comes vacuum sealed. Will I break it? I feel like it's starting to break a little.
Yeah, don't break it. It's a seasoning.
Hot pot seasoning?
Yeah.
Oh, this is lagama.
Oh, what? How do you know? How do you know? Lagama is chili oil. No, other side.
This is gochujang.
Yeah.
This is.
Gochujang?
I can tell by the package.
Yeah, gochujang is Korean chili.
What is it? Is it the red package? But what is it? Like a green top?
Yeah. No, it's gold top.
Gold top. Normally with this type of packaging, it's either like a golden pear. It's not a golden pear, is it?
I don't know.
Or it's shaved. This is a chop coconut.
Dude, he's too good at this. He knows everything. I should be the one guessing. You know what? You should have been the one ordering. I should be the one guessing because he's really into groceries and veggies and stuff like that.
Carrots.
Oh my god, how do you know?
Because you can tell by the top here and then the bottom here.
Jeez.
This video is no fun if I get everything.
Oh.
So, based on the packaging, I would think that this is a sort of berry. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you smelling me during my video? Doesn't sound, it's not a blueberry. So I'm gonna guess it's a strawberry.
Oh my god. Dude.
Keep it coming. This is milk. And I would guess either almond or soy. So I'm gonna guess soy.
Yeah.
Alright.
What?
Is it the, wait, let me go one step further. Is it that brand that's like, it's green?
Yeah, it's the green
What's
one.
it called? Horizon or something?
Sunrise.
Yeah, I've never seen this. Okay, so everyone, this is really cool to touch because they filled each plastic chamber with air. And there's this little, almost like marble type thing. Is it a candy?
Yeah. What is it? What is it? Oh.
Is it the order invoice?
No. It's something that we use a lot during Chinese New Year.
Oh, it's Red Pockets.
Yeah.
This is my Lysol wipes.
But you don't even have to smell
No,
it.
it's this little thing right here. As soon as you do that, you know it's what. Is it Lysol or Clorox?
Lysol.
To me, it feels like enoki mushrooms on
Oh
first
my
touch.
god, dude.
What? Did I really get that?
Yeah.
Wow, that was a good one. This is a citrus. Limes feel a little bit different, so I would say this is a lemon.
What? How do you know they feel
I
different?
don't know, they just feel like limes. I feel don't have as big of a nub at the top. Normally the lemons have the nub. The limes are kind of smooth.
Dude, this is. How's he getting everything?
Instead of donating to a Patreon, can people just send me food from all over? Wow, this is easy. This is a coconut water.
Do you know?
Because you can tell by the packaging.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it just feels like a coconut water. You
Okay.
can tell by the pointed edges. Is anyone interested in a series about how you can tell what things are with your eyes closed?
Blindfolded. Okay, I have this.
This is going to turn into a design
inside.
channel. The package of seasoning. There's not that much, so it must be super concentrated, whatever it is. Do you put one into water?
What do you know it's seasoning?
Because it feels like a seasoning packet.
Nope.
Really?
Wow, now that it's not groceries anymore, he doesn't know.
Oh. I know what this is.
What?
This is like what your mom buys sometimes. This is spicy snack, so it's gonna be. It's not squid. It's not squid, and the only other one that I know is fish, and it definitely doesn't feel like red meat. So I'm gonna go with fish. Fish and spicy. What?
What about it? Dude, he
vegetable?
only knows food. What the hell?
Vegetable? Is it
It's
the
not
cognac?
a food.
Oh, it's a snack.
This is out of my domain.
But you can't eat it. It's a face mask.
I got it. See, he only knows food. This is similar to the other one.
This is a dropper, probably the stuff you put under your eyes.
Not just eyes, it can be
Like, what do you
for
call
the
it,
whole
serum?
thing. It's like an essence.
Yeah.
Let me see. I don't think he'll know like the difference between these. Like, I just guessed based on the packaging.
It's like toothpaste packaging.
I don't think he's gonna know. That's it for everything that we got. Not bad for like $100, right? We have so many things, and honestly, like the prices on HelloTomato are so good. Like, I'm definitely gonna go back and get more groceries and more snacks, more instant things. So yeah, use my code, join as a first-time user, and get $10 off.
What is this? I want to know.
Oh, it's a recovery cream.
Aha. Alright, now I can take my mask off.
Okay. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
So this is a week later, and we've already finished our first batch of HelloTomato goods, and we just ordered a second batch. So this time, I asked Matt to order most of the food, which is right here, and I'm gonna guess what they are. So I know like a few items that I told him that's essential that we need, but otherwise he chose most of it. So I'm probably gonna be super bad at it because I'm not like a grocery person, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna put on my sleepy mask.
You ready?
No.
Alright.
Okay.
So, the blanket is off. Let's start. Easy. Number one. What is it? She's lost.
Cauliflower?
Oh!
Oh my god, this isn't as hard as I thought it would be.